Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanna, and in today's video I will be showing you how I make my pizza dough. I might show you how I make my pizza, but the aim or the focus of this video is really the dough. So we're going to start off with using 2.5 cups of flour.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit.
I'm here complaining, so I tend not to complain anymore. I just work with it, guys. So you're going to sprinkle your surface. That's not a sprinkle, but I did that because my dough is a little bit wet. Yeah, so you're going to put some flour on your surface. If you have a big counter space, you can put it on your counter. I'm just going to put it on my wooden cutting board. I actually bought this cutting board for the sake of kneading flour, because it makes it easier. So I bought a cutting board so that I don't have to rearrange my kitchen. So then how you're kneading is basically using here to push the dough away from you. So you draw it to you and then you push it away. So that's how you knead it. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure to it. Actually, it's very I find it quite easy, yeah. So you don't have to actually apply a lot of pressure. So you just push it out like that, draw it in, push it out, yeah.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him.
I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more. It's supposed to be sticky, but not really like sticky. So yep, we like a very thick dough in my family. Yeah, so like a foodie dough, like a filling dough. So I like when my dough is a little bit, you know, on the firmer side. Some people like it like on the gooier side. I don't really like the feel of the stickiness on my hands, so yeah.
Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So you guys, now you're going to get a plastic. If you have like the plastic wraps, you can use plastic to just wrap it. I don't have any plastic wrap. I've not baked in forever, so I'm using a bread bag. I just split it open and I'm just going to wrap it and cover it with a tablecloth or a dishcloth and have it sit for 30 minutes.
Be good all the time. I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
My counter looked congested, but yeah. So this is the next dough that I did, as you can see. Just going to oil this pan. I don't have any pizza containers. I know they exist, but I don't own any, so I just use what I have. I use a flat tray. I have a flat tray with the other pizza on it, and I'm sprinkling some, what do you call it, something there? I'm sprinkling some cornmeal in the bottom of this. That's a light sprinkle. Yeah. And then I'm just going to puncture the dough like I did with the first one. Puncture it. Yeah. And try to get out as much of it as possible out of the container. Then I am literally just going to spread it. I don't know if there's a different way to do this thing, but I usually just spread it in my container.
I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my.